Good evening and welcome to the channel. If you're stopping by for the first time, my name is Mark. I'll start by asking you this. Do executives have too much power? Carlos the Grinch Ghosn, Nissan and Mitsubishi chairman, was just fired and arrested 3 weeks ago for underreporting his pay. Now, Carlos was Japan's highest paid executive. That's pretty impressive. It was said that he took approximately $88 million over the last few years. It is also said that Carlos purchased about 6 houses around the world. I don't know why anyone would need this much money and this many houses for any kind of lifestyle. What makes this worse is that Carlos was technically a hero. He saved Nissan in the early 2000s from bankruptcy. He's actually been sitting in Japanese prison for 3 weeks, and he just got charged. So I think here in the US it's, 48 hours? If you don't have a charge, you're gone? Don't quote me on that. He still denies any wrongdoing. In fact, another executive that was arrested and charged with Carlos says that it was all legit. It was all legal. He says everything was agreed upon, so why are we being arrested pretty much? If it's one thing you need in a major investigation is witnesses and someone to have your back. What makes matters worse is that now Nissan is being indicted by the Japanese law enforcement. Japanese law holds companies, domestic companies, accountable for an employee's actions. So Carlos choosing to falsify records, that potentially gives Nissan a fine or some kind of penalty. That's crazy. Imagine if that happened here in the US. Ultimately, this is just a giant mess Nissan is forced to clean up. There's no telling if it's going to affect the direction of the company or its stock prices as well. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to share and subscribe for more awesome content. Good night.